Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're starting a little deep dive into the world of Tumi. Yes, that's right, we're going to be reviewing about 10 different items that are all signature to Tumi's travel collections. We are going to be reviewing these in the beetroot color, which is this dark mahogany. However, these styles are available in a lot of different colors, especially a black with gold signature look. This video series is intended to help you when you are making your purchasing decisions for one of the most important things to choose your baggage wisely: travel. We're going to kick off our collection tour with the CARSON backpack. So without further ado, let's dive in. Now, Tumi is not known for being the cheapest brand, but they are known for their quality and, above all, their pockets. This backpack is no exception to that rule. Now, of course, Tumi makes a lot of different style and color backpacks, so there is a sure chance that if this is not the backpack for you, there is one out there. That being said, the CARSON backpack is actually one of their most signature or most common backpack styles. So I do think there's something to be said for that. Now, first and foremost, you're noticing a lot of the details that Tumi really pays attention to. First and foremost with their packaging, and second with their overall design. So as I mentioned, this was the Beetroot collection, which features a beautiful burgundy on the outside and a light dusty pink on the inside. Now, when we open up the main compartment of the bag, you'll see there are two pockets on the front of the bag, and there's also some organization along the back of the bag. So overall, you're starting to get a sense for the overall emphasis on organization here. You do have a larger zip pouch in the back that has a very deep pocket, maybe for your valuables, and then you have another kind of sleeve pocket right in front of it. Now you'll notice a little tag with some numbers on that sleeve, and that is actually the Tumi registration number. So as soon as you purchase your bag, if you go ahead and log that number into your Tumi website, you can register your Tumi bag to yourself. So if anybody ever finds it, they will know who it belongs to, and it'll also activate your warranty. Now, I don't know specifically all of the elements that are covered by the warranty, but I do know that they do have a pretty extensive warranty, so it's always nice to check with your Tumi provider when you're making a purchase about what's covered. Now, you're starting to get a few first glimpses of the exterior of the bag. You do have a front zip pocket, which has one of those zippers that kind of tucks away and stays out of the way, as I was mentioning. And you do have two side pouches for easy access to all of your little goodies while you're traveling. On this side, you do have a clip where you can clip something important, maybe your keys that you don't want to lose, but you want to kind of throw in the bottom of that pouch. And you'll notice that there is actually a kind of hidden pocket with a magnetic closure right behind it. Now, I've seen some photos use this as a phone pouch where you can just easily tuck your phone in, and I can attest that there is the same type of pouch on the Voyageur tote bag that has the basement zipper that we've reviewed on the channel, and I do think it is really helpful to have something like that, so you don't have to always open up your bag or expose what's inside your zipper side pockets if you just want to store your phone quickly. It is only available on one side, so that is something interesting to note. And on the other side, you'll notice that they have a different interior to the pocket. So my best deduction is that this one is kind of a waterproof pouch where you can put a water bottle that might condensate or something, that you need to keep a little bit more safe from the elements. Now you will notice that there are two kind of little holes that you can clip something to on the bottom of the straps. I'm not entirely sure what those are for. If anyone does know, please let us know in the comments below. Now when we open the front kind of main outside pouch of the bag, we can see a lot more organization yet again. We do have a pen sleeve, we have a slot for some ID cards or something like that, business cards, and another kind of envelope pouch along the back, as well as quite a big pouch right in front there. So if you do have something you need quick access to while you travel, that could kind of live inside there, right? A pouch within a zipper. I would not suggest housing your valuables there, like your wallet or anything like that. Instead, I would put those in the zipper pouch in the main compartment for extra safety. Okay, you've started to see some other features like the luggage handle sleeve that is coming out of the back of the backpack. So you can actually extend your luggage handle and pop this right on top and have no fear that it's going to fly away. All right, taking a greater look at the straps, you can see that they do come, again, very secure, very protected. But then when we open them up, you can actually see that there is quite some room to extend the strap length. Now the straps themselves are pretty standard, but they are very comfortable, so no complaints here. And at the top, you can see the top handle is this beautiful leather trim top handle. Now this is the same detail that you have in the front of the bag with your key holder. Now this is a really important tag to take a picture of because it does give you all of the dimensions for this bag. The one I want to specifically highlight is the laptop dimensions. So they claim that this bag can fit up to a 16.75 inch by 11 inch laptop. And of course, what you're seeing right now is the laptop sleeve. So they do give you a separate whole compartment to house your laptop. This could be also used for files or anything of the like that you want to keep separate and straight. All right, now that you've gotten a good sense for the backpack itself, let's go ahead and try it on. Overall, I think it looks really sleek. It feels like the right size and it's really comfortable. But of course, that's just my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you have this? Do you like it? Do you hate it? We want to know. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the rest of our Tumi Traveler series.